Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Sundial. As you follow my channel, you know I talk a lot about MJ stocks. Sundial is usually one of the go-to, one of the favorite ones to talk about. It's usually got a lot going on with it. And so usually a lot of going on with this one. But here's what it looks like over the last 3 months. And here's what it looks like over the last month, down 16, almost 17%, so not been doing too great here lately. And looks like it kind of took off today. I wasn't even watching it. 86 on up to 91, so still need to get it back up to $1. Don't know if it'll be doing that anytime soon, but here's a look at the ratings. And there's when I bought my last couple shares. Looks like back in April on 420, so... but Sundial, ticker SNDL, and I've covered this one a couple times here on the channel. I'll go ahead and link the other videos in the description. So Sundial increases commitment to Sunstream Bancorp and by $350 million. So Sundial announced that it had increased its commitment to Sundial Bancorp to $538 million from its previously announced commitment of $188 million. All amounts are in Canadian dollars unless otherwise stated. Sunstream is a joint venture between Sundial and the SAF Group that leverages a strategic financial and operational partnership to target asymmetrically I can't even say that tonight, enhance risk-return opportunities in MJ industry to provide exposure to a portfolio of attractive debt and equity and hybrid investments. And feel free to pause and go over the rest. I'm not going to read this whole article to you, but like I said, I've covered this one numerous times. And Sundial Growers, the truth about this hot meme stock, and it's been hot, it's been up and down, and so just need to get it back to $1 and stay above $1 before it gets delisted. That's the problem that I had in the past. Sundial stock remains one of the most controversial penny stocks out there. Sundial is a small and profitable MJ company trading just under $1 per share. Normally that sort of company might fly under the radar, but Sundial stock has become an oddly captivating battleground all year. Last fall, Sundial stock was trading around 25 cents per share and generating huge operating losses. Analysis were suggesting that the company faced bankruptcy risk. Things looked bleak. Then Reddit traders arrived, and as we all know, it briefly hit $4 in February. I'm still pissed that I didn't sell that. I could have doubled or tripled my position or just sold out of it with what it's doing now, but the company took advantage of the runner-up to issue a gargantuan amount of stock, so much in fact that it paid off its debts and ended up with billions of dollars of cash left over. It was an incredible move. However, Sundial has ended up with an enormous amount of outstanding stock. It has more than 1.6 billion shares outstanding at this time. Means it has a market cap of 1.5 billion and a well given the current share price. Sundial announces results of its annual general meeting of shareholders, and this is just dated on the 9th, so a couple days old, but still kind of relevant to the price. So announced all the resolutions put to the holders of common shares of the company at the annual general meeting held virtually today were passed. At the meeting, shareholders approved fixing the number of directors, the company at the 5 members, electing the so on, and I'll just let you pause and go over the rest of that information. Here it kind of goes over some more information, so I'm just going to slowly scroll through here for those of you that like to pause and check out this article, or she can go straight to it on Market Watch. So our business reported and analyzed under 2 operating segments, one being MJ and the other being investments. Our MJ operations located in Canada cultivate small batch MJ using the individualized room approach with 448,000 square feet of total available space. And moving on here, 3 reasons Sundial Growers may be the best Canadian MJ stock to buy, and this is just dated here today. So this morning, much of the profit of investors at Sundial have made over the past year can likely be attributed to speculation and the stock becoming a popular buy on Reddit. That popularity has also improved the company's prospects, allowing it to raise cash multiple times and its prices that it otherwise wouldn't be able to do, putting it at a much stronger financial position today. Sundial Growers is an underdog in the sector due to its small size and low sales numbers, as many investors dismiss that as nothing more than a meme stock. But as far as the Canadian MJ companies go, it might be one of the best to invest in right now, and here's why. Has plenty of cash and the minimal debt, and I've kind of already went over this in the past, and so they do have a lot of cash. They raised a bunch, and so we'll see what they do with that. As of May 7th, it totaled 752.7 million Canadian dollars. Company has no debt, which is a good thing. But here it kind of talks about Aurora. I haven't talked about them. I haven't really watched them. If you follow my last couple videos on them, I'm still in the red with them. But it is diversifying its operations. Another thing I like about Sundial is the company is taking advantage of its cash position, deploying it into opportunities, a business more diverse. So they do diverse, and they do look at other companies, and just need to get that stock price back up above $1. So I haven't bought any more since April, since I showed you, but I don't know if I will. If it goes down anymore, I might, but I haven't quite decided, so I'm still in the red on this one again. But it isn't overly aggressive and spreading itself out too thin, and so this is kind of some of the same information. I mean, it's still relevant to the price today, but it seems like I've talked about this on previous videos that I've done on Sundial. As of June 23, it had 91 locations across the United States, 85 of which were home. And this is talking about True Leaf, so the best companies in North America. And I've talked about True Leaf on the channel also. Is Sundial a buy today? Again, that's up to you. Again, I already said, but if it was down below that, I would probably definitely pick up some more. But Sundial Growers is a pure play on trading sentiment, so if you could trade this one and do it right, it might be an option for you. Would have faded into the doldrums because of the clear warning signals that its management team signaled. Investing public, true, there will be speculators who would pile into the Sundial stock merely because of its cheap price, but the difference today is the volume of the speculators. And so always speculators on Reddit on this one, and a lot of talk always going on about Sundial. Not much here on Reddit. And on StockTwits, currently at 88 cents, low of 14, high of 396. Always got a lot of volume on this one. I've seen it in 200. I've seen it up to a billion shares being traded. So, and not really much else here other than the pumpers, but and currently at a hold 70 cents, and still crappy ratings on that one. But that's all that I have on Sundial. Just wanted to do a quick video on this one and do an update and the updated information. But as you can see, I'm still behind, so maybe I should buy some more and get my cost basis down. But if it goes back down to the 80 or so range, I might pick up some more. But if you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis and how many shares you have, and any other information you might have on Sundial. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. I got to get 1,000 by the end of the week here or sooner, so. And hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is Jay Money, following Ford Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.